You know this face. Hey, Rashi. Guys, Rashi. Rashi, where? Says I'm got some videos. Like sugar in your hand. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Invite me if you come, come, come. This is the way we do our dance, do our dance, do our dance. This is the way we do our dance early in the morning. Vana va kireshe, guys. Teta mandikadzi va kireshe. Kireshe. Yo. Natina akinisa ngodela mapfura viu. Ndikubva Russia inokutoningisa. Nosvatisi auna na ḓuvha fhethu hahone mara ndikubva Russia. No sun but irush yapha. Hi guys. I don't understand my skin. Aulavi jala namingi yazi fela zalingi wami na ngoba mina ngiyasifela ngawe ngoba mina ngiyasifela ngawe.
Yeah, baby, nikamufuna ene ukafuna siwa anybody. Oh, baby girl, ukafuniwa karini murengali face.
Guys, bullying ya masiari.
You know what? Today I'm preparing water.
Guys,
To bath. I'm preparing water to bath my kids right now, and it's been hell of a day. It's been hell of a day, actually. You see, there is the fire, so there is the water. No, I do not. I don't. I do not. And hi, Christopher. How are you? I do not. So I'm currently just preparing the water, and then I'm gonna bath the kids, and then after that it's light out. It's going to fall. 2 minutes to fall. So I'm gonna do all this routine within a few minutes. Guys, the weather today was very generous. I don't know if you can see all around me. Look at this perfect weather. I don't know if you can see it. And we have this jacaranda tree. The flowers have been falling all over the place. Oh, the beauty, guys. The beauty. If you want to converse with me on a more personal level, follow my Facebook account, guys. Follow my Facebook account. I don't give out my numbers. You know, that's not safe. It's not safe. And this is a space where I would really love to be really safe. So let me show you the beautiful scene that I'm talking about. You see the flowers? This, I don't know what you call this. This is the jacaranda tree that I'm talking about. It's even older than me. My dad planted this before I was born, I think. Yeah. So I'm just walking around at home, and I'm hoping the process of what
like sugar in your tongue. No. One second. This one is not there.
Like, I think my sister is a little bit full of herself to some extent. I'm way older than her. She was born while I was in grade 9.
Oh, 7.
No, you were born. It's 7. Eh?
7.
Guys, this person thinks I'm young. Eh? She thinks I'm a peer. She thinks I'm a mate. I'm very much old. Guys, I'm about to be 30 next year. Yeah. Yeah. I'm looking at my son and whatever he is doing, and I'm just gonna pretend like I don't see what he's doing.
Move on the way. Move on the way.
Oh,
Move on
this
the
is
way.
my
Move on
daughter,
the way.
by the way.
Hey,
This
hey,
is how we
my
carry
sister.
babies in
My
Africa.
sister, move. I wanna do my cousin dance. Move. Sing it. Besaye. We malakosera. We mal. We mal. Sing it. We mal. We mal. We mal. We mal. Like sugar in the tongue. Huh?
No,
Your body.
She's trying to do that challenge. She can't do it. I'm thinking maybe we're gonna do the video of it.
Ella. Ah! Don't mind.
You know there are cows, ne? And I'm afraid to move away and go and attend them. Hi, Mr. Everything. How are you? Those cows are gonna chow my water. Whew. You know, guys, I was busy with garden work today, and it was raining. It didn't rain that much. Yeah, like sugar on my tongue. We want to do that challenge for TikTok. I don't know. We want to do it with my little sister. I'm not sure. We're gonna film it maybe today after I'm done bathing. We're gonna do it. But we want to do it, guys. This is my garden, right? This is my tiny little garden. I'm gonna plant maize or mealy around this whole area here. And then the outside there, you're seeing, we're gonna plant mealy as well. It's summer. If you know us, the Venda people, né? We are the maize and mealy people. So today I did that side. And yeah, I know, right? Thank you. Let me show you. This is my chilies. I love chilies. I cannot survive without chilies. Those are my tomato trees. You look at this. This ones are gonna have those cherry little round tomatoes, right? Cabbages, tomatoes again. Also, I can't eat any meal without onions, right? This is butternut, and this is, what do they call those? They produce beans. Yeah, basically they produce beans. I love them. Also, another butternut and the spinach. It's just a mixture of my favorite veggies. I always make it a point to tell people that I love veggies a lot. My beetroot, yes, beetroot, and oh, there's just so much within the garden, Oh, and we also have the potatoes. It's just that, oh my goodness, and them cows are running. Look at that. You see the advantages of living in the villages. You're gonna see cows every single day, whether you like it or you don't. They are coming to be in your business. They're gonna be in your business. You like it or you don't. I also love butternut. I love butternut. I love the tree itself. Yeah, I like the leaves of the butternut. I love those. Uh, those are the ones that I'm planning to eat. And one other thing that I love about the village life. hmm I showed you the veg side, right? The fruit side, the mango tree. We had a lot of trees. Soon, in the next few, I think only 1 month left, and then we're gonna eat this. I should sing that song. I can't even sing it. I can't even sing that song like sugar on my tongue. I'm gonna do a very weird expression. Okay, I haven't bathed yet, so I have to first prepare everything. So I have to first prepare everything. Huh? My sister is doing. I can't sing to you because I can't sing. But somebody said, Ntando said, sing the song of sugar on my tongue.
Like sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me if you come, come, come. Invite me if you come.
I can't sing. I know this. I don't need anybody to tell me. And my phone is literally about to die. Like 5%. You know what? I'm somebody who's very confident in the things that I can do. I'm confident in the things I can do. And I'm also very confident in the things I can. And no way, please no. And I'm very confident in the things that I cannot do. No, the phone is fine, Shem. My brother, the phone is fine. Do not worry. Yo, the phone is fine. The phone is fine. Don't worry about my phone. You should worry about your attitude, my brother. Worry about the attitude too. Yes. Ah. Or you can just give me the money to buy a new phone. Why would you say please buy a new phone? Give me the money, my brother. Give me the moolah. Why would you make suggestions that I should?
My sister.
Oh no, the phone hasn't been charged ever since today. I haven't charged the phone. I haven't. That is why you're hearing me saying that my phone is battery low.
I know before Shango.
That is why. That is why I'm saying I'm gonna. My battery is low. Hey, hey, at
the same.
when was some business?
We all at the same.
Ni advani kuruntevela mrani kuruntevela mrauri ndisongomba zvinene kutodamba.
Chini kwana nichamba na watu live.
Ah, inokumbura mimi ngoro nkwama ngachipenda cha.
I want
Anyway,
to
baturinde.
Hello guys.
The way I hate.
Here. You don't know me.
The reason why I'm saying my battery is low, I haven't charged my phone today. That's why my phone is low. The battery is very fine. Andy Kulumi. Andy Kulumi is his. Did I do it right? Did I do it right? Did I do it right? Andy Kulumi is his Zulu. Ndi Kuluma is Venda. Fela. She is very disrespectful. She's disrespectful to both. She's disturbing the life. Yeah, I know, and she is quite disrespectful. Oof. You know what? I'm gonna try to go inside the house. Actually, I'm just gonna let the the phone switch off on its own. I can imagine it. It's hell on earth. It's hell on earth. Alright. Yeah, I just found this on the floor. Somebody's gonna claim it, but I'm not gonna allow anybody to claim it. But ndiyathetha ne ndiyathetha isiXhosa. I can probably do bonjour, or I can also speak sarang hello. Sarang sarang. That's Korean. I can do also shishini, Mandarin. I think is it Mandarin? I think so. So I'm gonna. Ngiyahamba mina, guys. Ngiyaleboga ne. Thank you for being with me. I love you guys. Mwah. Ciao ciao. Chabu chabu. Like you.